Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, Aries. If you want more clarity. So we will see what are these cards. It's Queen of Wands in reverse, Six of Pentacles in reverse, and Devil. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really good, you are dedicated, you have good intentions. So, you want to help others, and same way you want to help yourself in your career maybe. So you are a very dedicated, devoted person to whatever you do, whatever choices you make, and you try to do the best. But today in your circumstances you may have people opposing you, competing with you, and they are not like you, they are not working like you. That may be the reason you may see yourself in some difficulty. Maybe this competition and lot of stress that brings. And they are trying to hide something. Maybe they are avoiding telling you some truth, maybe something important. And it is really difficult for you to handle your circumstances without clarity. And maybe in this relationship, Aries, that may be the case. Maybe this person is not telling you something, they have something on their mind and they are not revealing that. And though you want to be really good with this person, really understanding, they are not reciprocating that, they are not willing to work towards a positive connection. And the reasons maybe this person's mind is really clogged, or what to say, they are having a lot of jealousy on you, envious about you. And they may have some habits, something troubling them, maybe some addictions, something they need to change, but they are unable to change that. And also, this person wants something else. Maybe they have huge dreams or unbelievable dreams about this love, and they are expecting so much from you. That may be the reason for some difficulties. Maybe you are good, you are extremely good with this person, kind and compassionate, but their expectations are too high that cannot be met, and it is quite unbelievable expectations they may have on you. And also, for some of you, this person is someone like what to say, a fun loving, a careless person. So they involve with anyone just for fun, just for that fun aspect of this relationship, but they are not committed. So you must be careful if that is the case, if you feel that they are not serious about this relationship, they are not serious about this connection. That is what I feel, guys. You need to be really careful, because they are not telling you the truth, because they may have a lot of people on their mind, lot of people they are attracted to, Lot of people they are paying attention to, so you must be really careful. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Five of Pentacles. So looks like there are things you need to be worried in this relationship. They are here with you, but still you may not have a good understanding. Maybe some kind of troubles may be there in this relationship. Maybe they have someone else on their mind, someone their focus is on that person. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Aries. So for your career, we picked one card. It's King of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work circumstances, maybe the way people are, maybe they are not talented enough like you, or they are not dedicated like you. That may be the reason you are seeing some difficulties in your work circumstances. Or for some of you, you may be ill, or you may have people who are sick, and that may affect the way things are in your career situation, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co-create. So in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things, or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit, or that higher power, or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are, and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy, because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art, and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person you have mutual love, respect and caring, and you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you. But sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in, or our mind just barges in telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel always beautiful, graceful and happy. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes, just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you're powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you are scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today. And you are seeing life changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So, divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.